guys, it's Anarchy, and today I get to review a very special palette. Jackie AINA did a collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am so proud of her, and I'm so happy. And look at the packaging, it's so cool. And if you guys don't know, Jackie is an amazing YouTuber and influencer. She has been insanely helpful to me personally with my journey on YouTube and stuff. Right when I started out, she helped me out, and she invited me to events and would give me advice, and has just been in general a very kind and loving person for no reason, because to be fair, I was not good when she decided to start supporting me. I've gotten better. I'm still not that good, but she supported me just out of the kindness of her heart with no prompting whatsoever, and I've always appreciated that. So she has this collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's super cool, it's super pretty, and we're going to review and play with it today. I will admit, given what I just said, while I will try to be as unbiased as possible in this review, I love Jackie. I've tried other collabs she's done, they've always been good. I love Anastasia, I've tried their products, they've always been good. I don't see this product being bad, but if it is, I will let you know, but just so you know, this isn't going to be the most unbiased review. If you want a truly unbiased review, go somewhere else. This is just going to be me giving my opinion and showing you guys how I created this beautiful look using this palette. So with that being said, let's get started. The FedEx guy literally just dropped this off, and it's gotta be Jackie's palette. If it's not Jackie's palette, I'm going to kill someone. Okay, so here's the PR box. Here's the official unveiling of the palette. Oh my god. This is going up in my, I'm making a display with all of my PR boxes and special makeup. That's going up there. That's so going up there. Oh my god. Here it is. Here's the packaging, which you can buy the PR box, by the way, apparently. It's only $10 more, I think. I'll leave the actual price right here. I'm so excited, I just spilled glitter all over myself. That was on here for another video. I need to move slower, I'm super hyped right now. So you get this cool carrying case. And here's the palette. Okay, yeah, let's go do what we came here for. Oh, wow. Oh, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. The only thing I'm trying to decide is what transition color I'm gonna do, which is step one, so I should figure that out soon. So, my first step I'm going to do is I'm gonna take some Anastasia Beverly Hills primer. They sent me this a while ago, when I first got on the PR list, and I've never used eyeshadow primer before they sent me this one. But now I'm an addict, and if I want a look to look amazing, I always use this stuff. I don't know how it honestly compares to other eyeshadow primers because I've barely used other eyeshadow primers, but it makes colors look really good and stay on really long. I'm trying to get you in as close as you can to my face without me looking like an actual nightmare. So I already know what colors I'm gonna use. I was struggling to decide if I wanted to do a look like I would normally do or a look like Jackie does, because I kind of wanted to do a Jackie inspired look, not a cut crease like I always do every time. But I think I am just going to do a cut crease because I want to do what I would do on a daily basis, and I usually do cut creases, so we're gonna do a cut crease. I'm gonna take some setting powder and put it down in case there is fallout. Now, I probably mentioned this at the beginning of the video. I film my intros at the end, so I don't know. But I'm going to be as unbiased as I can be, but I love Jackie. She has supported me so much in my makeup journey. So I really want this to be good. And to be honest, it's Anastasia. I very rarely have had an issue with Anastasia palettes, except Subculture, which was weird, but the colors were great. It was just packed weird, and they ended up fixing it. So that's the most I'll expect to be wrong with this, is if it's a packing issue. But these colors look great. Okay, so here are all the colors. I'm having trouble deciding between pinker and ginger for my transition. Jackie used pinker in her preview video, and it has a little bit of a shimmer. So I don't want a shimmer. Ooh, no, edges looks nice. What's ginger look like on me? Ginger is what I want. Ginger is my perfect transition shade. Oh my god, Jackie, thank you for making this. I'm gonna put this on this fluffy brush, and I am just going to, it's a Morphe M441, by the way, and I'm just going to apply it like a transition shade. That's my perfect transition shade. There is only one other palette that has my perfect transition shade, and it is the Oh Honey palette from Sugar Pill, and they don't make that anymore. So this is my new transition shade, I guess. I'm having the tiniest bit of trouble blending it right there, but I can't tell if that's just me being a dumb or if that's the palette. It might just be me being a dumb. But it seems like I packed it onto the brush and I put it right there and now it won't move. So I feel like it's more me being a dumb than it is the palette's fault. That's also going to go on the bottom. I already know what I'm gonna do now. I already know what I'm gonna do. That's ridiculous. Why am I like this? I do the same thing every time. I mention this every time I use Anastasia products, like especially the eyeshadows, but I love the brush that comes in them. Like, I love this brush. When I didn't know how to do makeup, this was the only brush I used. I'm gonna take Credit, which is the dark brown matte shade that she was like freaking about creating. I already watched her video talking about the palette and she was saying how she wanted a really good matte brown shade for hers, and she's right, that's a really good matte brown. That is a really good matte brown. So what I'm gonna do is, I've kind of swept it on, now I'm gonna pack it on and then take some of Ginger and like blend it out at the top. It reminds me of, so the palette I've actually been using the most often on everyday occasions, like where I'm not doing an insane, crazy look, is the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia, because I've just been into brown Soft Glam lately. Like, I've been very basic. It's been very upsetting to me, but like I've been super basic with my makeup lately, and that's the palette I've been using. I think I might switch to this being my everyday palette. Like, I'm about to go on a vacation and I'm going to need a palette to bring because I don't want to bring every single palette I own, and I have a few palettes that have been like travel palettes for me. Also, I'm taking some more of the primer and I'm gonna cut my crease. But yeah, I have a few other travel palettes, but I think I'm gonna start taking this one just because it has so many colors that I can use for a pop of color, or I could just do my basic, boring, everyday glam. I know I'm kind of moving fast, but it's partially because I saw this palette and I already knew what colors. I'm gonna do like kind of a green cut crease. My usual kind of cut crease, like me trying to look like a Bratz doll situation, but just with green this time. I'm gonna take the same flat end of the Anastasia brush and fill in with Credit. Right now, and this is what I'm most excited for, I'm gonna take this dense packing brush and I'm gonna get Sponsored, which is this weird, it looks bright light green because light is reflecting off of it on camera, but like it's like a duochrome like shift from I think a bit brown base. It looks insane. I'm putting it on. Oh my god. What are you? You see that? Can you see? Can you? It disappears. If I turn completely away from light, it looks like Credit. Like, that is a perfect transition into Credit. So I love that this shade is called Sponsored. The shade names in this palette are hilarious. So I'm trying to blend Credit more into Sponsored because they match really well and I just want that blend to be a little bit more seamless. So I'm going back in with that brush that has Credit on it from before. Okay, that looks great. All right, I'm gonna clean off this brush with my brush cleaner. And I'm gonna go into Trust Issues, which, like, look at it in the pan. You see how it looks like white? And then it swatches like that. So that's gonna be in the inner corner. I'm gonna take some more Sponsored and blend it in a little bit more. Oh my god, okay. I'm gonna wipe away this powder that we had down for safety reasons. And now I'm going to take that same brush that still has Credit on it and I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line just a little bit. I love how this is coming out. I really sound biased and like I'm raving, but like this actually looks so good. These color choices are amazing, especially for someone darker. Like, I can use every color in this palette and that makes me really happy. I can't do that with a lot of other palettes. Even the Soft Glam palette, like I can't use half the shades. Like, I can't even use some of those shades. Like, some of those shades are just too light for me to use. So it's really cool to have like a palette where I can use every shade. And to be honest, I was gonna try and find a better brush to do this with, but like I said, I love this brush. I could just bring this brush with me somewhere and I would be fine. I'm just gonna clean it off and I'm gonna go back in with ginger again and blend this out. Go back in with credit and darken over what I blended already. All right, that's it for the eyes, except I'm gonna do my eyeliner with the Anastasia liquid liner. I'm just using all Anastasia today pretty much. All right, now I'm gonna take my dark side liner, also from Anastasia, and do my waterline. Oh my god, no, it wasn't dry yet. I smudged it a little bit. I totally messed up my eyeliner, but it's fine. I'm gonna cover it up with mascara. Anyway, I'm gonna do my mascara and most of the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to talk about my thoughts and how I feel about this. I love it, so that's spoiler alert, I love it, but I'll be back in a second. Okay, last I'm going to use Artist Couture's Le Peach highlighter, which is also a Jackie collab. All right, and then I'm gonna finish everything off with this Tatcha Setting Spray Mist. What's it called? Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Okay, so here is the final look. I'm absolutely in love with how it came out. This is such a good palette. This is such, I hate to say it this way because it sounds very demeaning, honestly, and weird, but this is like low-key Anastasia's Black Girl palette. Like, every color in here, I swatched them all on my arm. I have a better video, but like they're all on my arm. Every color in here I can use, and that doesn't usually happen for me. I'm not used to that. I don't usually get that from a palette, even an Anastasia one. So the fact that I can use every single shade in this palette is really, really important to me. I don't really have many criticisms. The only one I will say is when I was swatching them, I didn't use them in the actual video, but when I was swatching them, I think Supreme, which is this pink shade right here, swatched a little, it felt like a little drier than I would like. Not chalky, but like a little drier. That's my only real critique. Like, everything else looks absolutely stunning and I love it. And yeah, Jackie, I am so proud of you. You've accomplished so much. I'm so proud of you with this collab. I hope you have even more successes and I can't wait to try them out when you do. So yeah, those are my opinions. This is my review. I hope you guys liked it. And if you want to try it out for yourself, I'm actually giving away one of these palettes. I ordered one like today, launch day. So this is mine, this is my personal one, but I'll be giving another one away to one of you guys. In order to enter, all you have to do is go to my Instagram, follow me, and leave a comment on the post that has this look in it, that post. In the comment, make sure to tag a friend and that'll give you one entry, and if you want another entry, come back to this video, like it, subscribe, and leave a comment with your Instagram username so I can keep track of you, because I will be contacting the winner on Instagram, not YouTube. So if you don't have an Instagram, it'll be harder for me to contact you. You can't really enter. You need an Instagram, sorry. I'll be picking a winner August 14th, which is the day before this palette launches officially on August 15th. And so, yeah, you guys could win one of these. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Enter the giveaway if you want to win this palette, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!